Number of Bill Gates' successful journey. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, has had an extraordinary journey of success. Here is an overview of his successful journey. 1. Early career. Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955. In Seattle, Washington, he showed a keen interest in computer programming from a young age. As a teenager, Gates and his schoolmate Paul Allen started selling their computer programs in 1975. Gates and Allen founded the software company Microsoft. 2. Microsoft and MS-DOS. In the 1980s, Gates made a strategic decision by offering the MS-DOS operating system to IBM for use in the IBM PC. This decision proved to be a major breakthrough for Microsoft, as the IBM PC became a huge success, and MS-DOS became the de facto standard for personal computers. 3. Success with Windows. In 1985, Microsoft released the graphical operating system Windows. Although its initial versions were not very successful, Windows gained popularity with subsequent releases. Windows 3.0, launched in 1990, was a major breakthrough and solidified Microsoft's dominance in the personal computer operating system market. 4. Wealth and philanthropy. Thanks to the success of Microsoft, Bill Gates became one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. In 2000, he and his wife Melinda Gates established the Gates Foundation, a philanthropic organization focused on global health, education, and community development. Through the Gates Foundation, they have donated billions of dollars to various humanitarian projects worldwide. 5. Retirement from Microsoft. In 2008, Bill Gates announced that he would step down as CEO of Microsoft to focus on philanthropic work through the Gates Foundation. However, he remained involved in some technology and business projects and served as a technology advisor to Microsoft. 6. Development of Microsoft Office. In addition to Windows, Bill Gates played a significant role in the development of Microsoft Office. The suite includes applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Microsoft Office has become one of the most popular and dominant software packages in the world, widely used in various sectors and work environments. 7. Internet initiatives. In the mid-1990s, Bill Gates recognized the immense potential of the Internet and led Microsoft's initiatives to develop a strong Internet strategy. They launched Internet Explorer as Microsoft's web browser, which became a major competitor to Netscape Navigator at the time. This initiative helped Microsoft stay relevant in the Internet era and played a significant role in transforming how people use technology. 8. Full retirement from Microsoft. In 2008, Bill Gates officially stepped down from his full-time role at Microsoft and resigned as chairman of Microsoft. This allowed him to focus more on philanthropic activities through the Gates Foundation. However, he remained involved as a technology advisor to Microsoft and engaged in various technology and business projects through his company, Cascade Investment. 9. Leadership at the Gates Foundation. As one of the founders of the Gates Foundation, Bill Gates actively works within the organization. Through the Gates Foundation, they have supported various initiatives and projects to improve health and education worldwide. They have focused on issues such as malaria control, childhood vaccination, improving education systems, and much more. Global philanthropic influence. With his wealth and influence in the world of philanthropy, Bill Gates has become a significant figure in global efforts to address social and humanitarian issues. He has advocated for increased spending on research and development in the field of health and has played a role in global efforts to eradicate diseases such as polio and malaria. 11. The Giving Pledge. In 2010, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, one of the world's leading investors, launched the Giving Pledge. This initiative invites wealthy individuals worldwide to formally commit to donating the majority of their wealth to philanthropic purposes. Through the Giving Pledge, Gates and Buffett have inspired many billionaires and wealthy families to contribute significantly to solving social problems. 12. Focus on clean energy. In addition to projects in health and education, Bill Gates is also involved in research and development efforts for clean energy. Through Breakthrough Energy Ventures and Breakthrough Energy Catalyst, Gates invests in technologies that have the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and address climate change. 13. Books and speeches. Bill Gates has also written several books and given speeches about his vision for the future. One of his notable books is The Road Ahead, published in 1995, which discusses technological changes and their impact on our lives. He frequently gives speeches at conferences and global forums to share his insights on technology, philanthropy, and global issues. 14. Awards and recognition. Bill Gates has received numerous awards and recognition for his contributions in the fields of technology, business, and philanthropy. He was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by the President of the United States in 2016, the highest civilian award in the country. He has also received honorary degrees from leading universities worldwide. 15. Activities during the COVID-19 pandemic. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, Bill Gates has been actively involved in combating the spread of the virus and supporting vaccine development efforts. The Gates Foundation has made significant donations for vaccine research, drug development, and medical support. He has also provided insights and advice to governments and global health organizations in dealing with this crisis. 16. Involvement in vaccine projects over the years. Bill Gates has played a crucial role in supporting vaccine research and development. He has been actively involved in Gavi, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, an organization working to improve access to vaccines in developing countries. Additionally, Gates supports the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation (CEPI), which focuses on vaccine development for infectious diseases. Support for education through the Gates Foundation. Bill Gates has provided significant support in improving access to and quality of education worldwide. They have supported various programs and initiatives to enhance curricula, strengthen teacher training, and leverage technology in the learning process. Gates also advocates for innovative approaches to education, such as the use of interactive computer programs and evidence-based learning. 18. Involvement in climate change mitigation. Bill Gates has a strong concern for climate change issues and has committed to supporting efforts to address them. Through Breakthrough Energy Ventures and Breakthrough Energy Catalyst, he invests in clean and sustainable technologies that can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, Gates has called on countries and world leaders to take immediate and collective action in confronting climate change. 19. Engagement in health research. In addition to supporting vaccination and global health efforts, Bill Gates is involved in broader health research. He has supported research projects related to diseases that have a significant impact on global health, such as HIV/AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis. He also supports research efforts in developing new therapies and treatments for these diseases. 20. Partnerships with the private sector and governments. To achieve his philanthropic goals, Bill Gates has developed partnerships with various sectors, including the private sector and governments. He collaborates with companies and other organizations to create innovative and sustainable solutions in various fields, including technology, health, and education. Such partnerships enable strong collaborations to achieve greater impact. Bill Gates' successful journey is an inspirational story of how dedication, innovation, and good leadership can lead someone to achieve remarkable success in the world of technology and business while contributing to social good through philanthropy.